Hey everybody, it's Martin here from Review This. Welcome back to my channel. Please take the time to subscribe and comment on my videos. It really helps ratings of my videos itself. So please, thank you for helping out on that end. Today we're going to be looking at and reviewing a Toguard dash cam, model number CE66. On this camera, there is a you can record the front of the car. Obviously, you can record into the vehicle itself. So if you're somebody that has Uber, it's good to have that feature to record what's going on in the car. And it also comes with a rear view dash camera, so you pretty much cover everywhere around your car itself. Let's have a look at it. Let's see what's inside, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks.
So inside the box, this is all the items that you will be getting. Obviously, you have the main unit here, which has a display for the video that you're currently projecting. The camera that projects into the vehicle, the front camera for the front dash. There's the rear camera. There's obviously the manual and a sticker for your car, I guess, if you're doing a service like Uber. Some extra 3M stickers. USB cord for transferring the video to a computer. The adapter for sticking it to a window. There's also an adapter here for connecting it to your actual dash surface. The power cable for the main unit. The power cables and wires for the rear view camera. And it also comes with, by the looks of it, a tool for when you're working to hide the wire along the vehicle. So you need to pop out certain sections of your dash, and a couple little accessories to hold the wires as you're running them along. Okay, so these are all the various accessories that you get. Let's have a look at how it looks inside the vehicle itself.
So here I've installed the dash cam a little bit to the right of the rear view mirror, and then I ran the wire along the top here where it's hidden, so you can't see it. And then from this point here, I flip this part. All you do is you just push this in, and you can run the wire along this frame of the car. I fed the wire down through this trim part all the way down the frame of my van, which, by the way, I have a 2017 Grand Caravan. Right, so I continued. We'll get a shock there. Continued down this trim portion. Then I fed it inside back here, and basically ran it underneath this portion all along. And then from here on the bottom, I kind of see it here a little bit. I fed it down and put it behind this part here of the middle console, and then kept it underneath the console itself. then obviously it came out on the front where it's plugged in on the cigarette lighter. Okay, so the wire management is pretty neat. You don't see any of the wire popping out on the dash itself. Okay. Now when you turn on your car, put your key in and the ignition starts, the camera will come on by itself and it will be set to record automatically. So as soon as you start your car on and drive away, it will be recording, and then once you get to your destination, shut your car off, and then as soon as you open your door, I mean, this is how it works in my event anyway, as soon as you open your door, it starts the countdown and it closes within 5 seconds. Dash cam is also supposed to come on once it feels some kind of hard vibration, so like a car hitting you. So I'm gonna try testing that by opening up my gate, my rear gate on the van, and then slamming it down. So see if it comes on by itself. Okay. So as you can see, once I slammed the back gate, the dash cam automatically was set to record its environment around the vehicle. So that does work. For the rear view camera, I did exactly as before, the wire going up across the top here, hidden along this part here, hidden along the trim here, along this part all the way around, and then continue again along the middle door, along there, around this part here, and along the window over there, right to the back. Continued along here, underneath this portion here, and then down through here. Here is the only area on my van where I had to pop out the little cap there and back out the screw, because this part was very tight, and then feed the wire to the other side. So once on the other side, I fed the wire underneath the rubber here, and the wire comes out. Leave yourself some slack for when the gate opens and closes, and then it's mounted on the glass itself. So once you have this part all done, then you can screw the little cap back on. There was quite an excess amount of wire here, so I hid it all in here in this cavity. There is also a red wire that goes down, and then I have it here, and it connects to the wire on your rear wiring for your lights. So when the camera is set to rear, I think it's supposed to have those little red lines for reverse. I haven't got around to doing it yet because unfortunately the supplier does not supply
a little crimp where I can attach this wire to the wire on there. It would have been useful if they did provide it, but unfortunately I have to order it, so I'll do it at a later time. Otherwise, this was very simple to run the wire, easy. Took probably, I don't know, less than 10 minutes for sure, and it was all done. I'm going to go for a small drive around. I will be flipping the video scenes from front camera to inside camera and rear camera. I have set the quality of the video to a mid setting on the dash cam, just to show you that even at a midpoint the quality is still pretty good. This is just a test. This is just a test to test the audio quality of the dash cam. So right now I'm just driving around so I can catch some footage of for the review video. Hope you enjoyed my video on the Toguard CE66 dashcam. It's a great dashcam for the price point. I highly recommend it. Stay tuned next time. I will try to do a follow-up video on how to wire up the rear light to the device itself. So I'll do a short video on that section. Thanks again for tuning in. Please leave a comment, hit like, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.